Alright guys, to make pizza dough you're going to need 1 2/3 cup water, 2 teaspoons active dry yeast, 1/4 cup olive oil, 5 cups all-purpose flour, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Alright guys, so we're going to split the dough. We've already cut it in half. We're going to cut it in half again. So now we have 4 pieces, 6 pieces, and 8 pieces. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the dough and roll it in our hand. I'm pushing and I'm pulling and tucking. I'm pushing, I'm pulling and tucking. I'm pushing, I'm pulling and tucking. And so what that's doing is it's helping to smooth the top of the dough, and it's going to look kind of like that on the bottom. Do it again one last time, and then we'll top that off with just a little bit of oil to keep it from drying out as it rests and rises. So then we'll just cover it with our kitchen towel, and we'll see you in a few minutes. Bye-bye.